It's a beautiful spring day here in the garage. And you know, I just realized I've not given you guys a proper tour. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to give you a tour. Now it's a mess. I've not done my spring cleaning yet. I'm sure a lot of you guys garage is in the same boat coming out of winter. So I'm going to show you around the garage in its messy state, and then we're going to organize it over the next couple of weeks and get it back to being organized again. So first of all, I'd like to show you the Mustang. Of course, you guys know I put the audio system in. That's my son over there. He's picking dandelions for everybody. The car's a mess. It's dirty. But here's the newest member of our fleet. It's a Ducati Hypermotard. It's the 939. I'm going to do a couple of commute videos on this big bad boy here in the next couple of weeks. Of course, there's the BMW, the R1200 GS. That's my adventure bike. So that's a 2016. This is a 2017 Ducati. This is a 2016 BMW. Of course, we got a couple lawnmowers in here. I'm getting ready to change the oil and make sure they're up for the task of mowing our property. We've got a lot of acreage here on the homestead's what I call it. So we got the lawnmowers in here, getting them ready. Over here we got a 2012. This is a Ducati 848 Evo. I bought it new. It's a really fun bike. We'll commute on it a little bit too here in the next couple of weeks. We've got quite a few projects to go with it. We've got to do the timing belts. We've got to do the valve checks. We've got a lot of things that we need to do, and that's going to be some fun videos. And then we've got the Yamaha, probably the most fun bike in here. It's a Yamaha WR250X. It's a super motard. It's got the FMF PowerCore 4 muffler with the Power Bomb header. This is a really cool bike for here in the mountains. And of course we have our gun safe, we have our audio. You got to have tunes in the garage, pressure washer. A lot of this stuff is just in here for winter. I've got other storage locations. This is my toolbox. I'll be giving a toolbox tour. There's Rylan.
Look,
He's
I
picking.
got you a dandelion.
Oh, well, thank you. That's really pretty.
Yep.
All right. Thank you. Let's see, we've got a workbench here. It's got a bunch of junk on it. Now, this is something that I'm playing with here this year. Is gonna switch all of my oil changes because we have quite a bit of equipment here on the homestead. I'm switching it to these pneumatic filling stations, so you can punch in how much you want, pull the trigger, it'll fill it up to what you want, and then all you got to do, it's on wheels. You can put it on the tractor or whatever and take it where you need it. This one's got 1540 diesel for the tractors. And this one over here, I've got 520 in it. I've got another one with 530. And over here's more mess. There's air compressor, another toolbox that I keep all the random stuff in, weed eaters, and then back to the Mustang. Now, of course, we're going to have quite a few videos on the wife's car, which is a Fiat 500. It's the green Fiat 500. We've got the company car. It's a Hyundai Accent. We got to put timing belts, change timing belts on it, do some maintenance. Of course, we've got the RV. We've got the Nitro Z7. That's a 2011 model. Nitro Z7. It's got a Mercury Optimax 150 on it. Of course, we've got our truck. It's been doing great. It's a 2017 F250 XLT crew cab 4-wheel drive. It does have the 6.2 gas in it. I don't regret that one bit. I'm glad I went with the gas over the diesel for my uses. There's Rylan and Evie. And anyway, that's what we've got going on today on this beautiful spring day here in March. I'm loving the weather. It's about 64 degrees here today. And you know, I'm about ready for some good weather. Get out and do some riding motorcycles and cars and getting to
Hello.
getting to get out and have some fun. But anyway, that's a kind of a garage tour. I've not done a garage tour before, I don't think. So kind of let you know what is going on here. Oh, we're going to be doing some maintenance on Mahindra. It's a Mahindra 28XL shuttle shift. Got the front loader and the backhoe. So, yeah. Another thing you guys might have noticed, I'm not sure if you guys noticed or not, but here at the homestead, we have solar panels. Of course, it's in the evening right now. We're doing about 279 watts. These are grid tied. So we have a different system in the back that's battery storage, and that's 2,000 watts. This system on the garage here is 2,500 watts going down to the grid tie, and it really works well. So, but anyway, guys, I hope you're having as much fun on this spring day as I am. You guys have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one.